Bombela Fanatics nazo-ke madoda. I'm your host Limpo Muhale se 1214 kaNyamazane Stadium. The Bees VCs. Iqembu lakhona lelibuya liLimpopo iVenda FC Academy. Ngamathini la, Martin. Igame pelile lililana lomtsala. Khuluma nami igame uyibone njani?
Hayi game ngibone kahle lomtsala but inkinga mtsala lomtsala inkinga le bekhona kusi the Bees mise ama chance kakhulu lomtsala. Ma chance the Bees createile but ma opportunity ayikhonanga kwa create kahle. Because kwendiwe masab la sabona amabhena angena lomunye umfana wa just to number 1 ungenile basingibane mashilwana
mtsala
ungenile bakhona lo create amngani wami lapho lomtsala but ma chances abazange bakhona kwa converter but we are looking forward for the next game kusuku 20 kani
lomtsala iperformance yabafana uyibone njani namuhla uya highlight ukuthi coach Humphrey ma substitute washayile 1 or 2 lapho ke igame uyibone njani mfana Rodman yamkhuluma nami?
Hayi game ngiyibone kahle lomtsala but i-flop play lekile ma player kumele aphakamisa ukukhoma ku-success slaughterhouse si home ground yabo la kumele ba make sure ukuthi ma point abawaluzi noma njani wabona so kumele baphakamise baphushe for i-sport esi-right lapha ku-NFD nyalo championship then kumele ma player aphushe atokhona bathola ama maximum point like igame namuhla bekumele siwinile bafo but sikhona lokumisa ama chances lapho ma opportunity bekayi clear but asikhona kuba convert bafo.
Rodman yami ukhuluma ngekubaleka kongadrop ama points. 2 games enwadlalile la ekhaya so far kulamanye. This is the second game then drop ako ama points. The first one against Milford, it was the first lose you've had like ekhaya. Then game namuhla it's a draw. You guys are dropping points. Should the Bees be concerned or kwenzakalani part?
Yeah, the Bees is concerned about the drawing point of at home. When we play at home, we should at least make sure that we get the maximum point, like at least 3 points. We are no longer going to expect to get 1 point at home. You see, we should get at least 3 points. Like you can see, Venda FC, they are coming from Limpopo. Then we are here at Pumalang, and then we should. This is our slaughterhouse. The fans were there, we packed, full packed. But at least we're accepting to get the maximum point to our see. But we're hoping forward to see the next game because next game we're going to play away, but the following game we're going to play at home. So 3 October expect ukuthi ma fans agqwale nama player at least aphakamise kustokhona kugena ama maximum point bafo.
Rodman Martin leyo ke siyayivala Rodman Martin. Danko
bafo.